Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Toyota Dash Cam model and inserting a Class 10 SD card formatted in camera. This prevents corrupt files. Once done, park and switch ignition to ACC so the camera gets accessory power without the engine running. Make sure the device is hard-mounted to the windshield near the rearview mirror for optimal view, then enable loop recording and timestamp in settings. This keeps storage cycling and preserves usable clips automatically. Now position the camera at the top center of the windshield, leveling the horizon so license plates and lanes are readable. This angle reduces glare and blind spots. After mounting, adjust exposure and motion sensitivity to your local lighting and traffic conditions so false triggers are minimized. You should also enable the G-sensor and parking monitoring if your model supports them. Finally, pair the camera with the Toyota app or its Wi-Fi hotspot to view live footage and install any. To finish, make a habit of reviewing footage after trips and copying important clips to your phone or cloud storage. This preserves evidence and frees card space. If the camera stops recording, first verify the accessory power and fuse, then test the SD card on a computer and reformatting camera, update firmware, and reset the mount if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: swap in a fresh, high-quality SD card. Many recording issues trace back to worn or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.